Like most riders, normally we go out on the road, we ride to our destinations, get off the bike, and move along with our daily grind. One thing in particular for the North-South Expressway is the breeze that sets you down as you cruise along it. The scenic views, the sun witnessing a new day, the clouds marshmallowing through the fractured mountains, the bluest of the sky in limitless view. Simply watch the world go by as you fill up the tank. The expressway, intended for both local and neighbouring country riders, just offers you almost any kind of road you might want. Never-ending straights, twists and turns, or just a cruising feel of the speed. We've all been there sometimes. The emptiness you feel, the loss that we'd hope to be replaced someday, or maybe just that diseased thoughts of not being good enough. I find riding the expressway somehow being an explanation of my purpose to finding myself sometime, with knowledge, what I am meant to do, how do I do them, and sometimes just understand that faith has its pillars and that's what draws you. Get out of the daily grind. The road gives you the freedom of riding. Seal your fingers through the adrenaline, the wind whispering in your ears, the spark that brings the best out of you. You can just feel it in the atmosphere. Go out there, discover the roads, and perhaps maybe, just maybe, you'll find yourself the opportunity of where you need to be.